with Arshad Sharif, and I was in touch with Arshad Sharif till the very last days of his murder in Kenya. I was in touch with him on WhatsApp, and he briefed me about all what was happening, how the Pakistani authorities were forcing his repatriation from Dubai back to Pakistan, and then he ran off to Kenya. I'm a US resident also. I have to run off from Pakistan for my safety in the last week of October. I'm here from 1st of November near Washington. In May, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, called me and informed me that they fear and they have reason to believe that the Pakistani authorities are trying to target me within Washington. So they connected me with the police. I had earlier called the Washington police as well. I want to bring into your notice, FBI is in touch with me. I keep on informing them. They have given me the tips to protect myself, how to drive, how to, all kind of, risks they have highlighted. They have appointed 2 agents to basically provide a surveillance to me, and they've given me different kind of tips. Now, my question is, you said that State Department representative is here. I'm very touched by the fact, and I'm very impressed and grateful to Brett Sherman, the representative. I'm much impressed by your work in the past several months and how you have looked at the situation in Pakistan, how Dr. Asif Mahmood has organized this, for Jim Costa to be here, and so many other congressmen. And thank you so much for this wonderful presentation from Amnesty, on very accurate presentation of what's happening, and I would like to work with you and to meet you. My question is, as you pointed out yourself, Brett Sherman, Congressman, that while the Congress is alive and sensitive to what is happening in Pakistan, we have not seen any proportionate and comparable response from the State Department. I, in fact, informed the State Department. When the first time I received the death threats here in Washington, I reached out to State Department, and 4 or 5 officers from the State Department interviewed me on a video link, and I informed them everything, and they said they will alert the FBI, right? But I haven't seen any proportionate comment from State Department spokespersons or from the Secretary Blinken on the situation in Pakistan. I am a great supporter of the US foreign policy in general, but I think that the biggest plank on which the US foreign policy stands vis-a-vis China, vis-a-vis Russia, Ukraine, North Korea, Afghanistan, and Iran are human rights, freedom of expression, and democracy. And by ignoring what's happening in Pakistan, the United States is actually compromising on its own cardinal principle for which this country stands. And this is what my concern is, sir. Thank you.